What's up guys? So today I'll show you how to create a backtest on HyperTrade. So first hit new strategy and then we're going to enter any strategy name you want. So like short selling setup for instance, and then hit create and enter into the strategy editor here. So we'll leave the setup for backtest for when we actually backtest the trading strategy. First you want to set up universe criteria. So like you can add your own custom criteria if you wanted to. I'm going to use a preset universe for this demo and just modify it. So like float under 20 mil and pre-market change over 15%. We'll change pre-market change to 50%. And then, so once you set that up, you want to hit fetch universe. That's going to fetch historical universe scans over the past 2 years on the 8,000 stock database. So let's hit fetch universe. While that runs, I'm going to set up entry and exit criteria. So like add new entry setup and then price, 1 minute, move more than 15% over 15 candlesticks, and then relative strength over the 15 point on 1 minute. So it's 1 minute RSI on the 15 point RSI on the 1 minute. And then so we're going to enter short if it goes over 90. And then so for exit scan criteria, you can have multiple exit scan criteria. So like I'll set up target profit of 15%, and then stop loss of 15%. And then you can also set like any other exit criteria. Like I'll do relative strength 15 on the 1 minute. When it goes under 20, because we're short selling, you can close the short position. So okay, it's acting up. So there we go. And then so now you want to wait for universe scan to finish, because you need the universe scans to actually run the backtest. So yes, it can take up to 3 to 10 minutes. It really just depends on how many criteria you have in there and how many stocks it scans. So yeah, I'll catch you when the universe criteria is done. And it's done, as you can see. So this graph represents how many stocks were scanned over time. So like on, let's see, 10/9/2024 stocks were scanned. Or here, 3 stocks were scanned on 9/2020. So that's good. Once you see that stocks have been scanned for your criteria, hit back to strategy. So you actually can't yet, because you have to connect exits to the entry. So like specifying which exits the entry will take. So like you're in a position. So like if I connect exit setup 1, this becomes exit criteria for the entry group. So let's just attach all of the exit setups, and then before hitting backtest, you want to set up the backtest main settings. So like you can go $25,000 for starting equity, and then you can also go fixed dollar value. But since it's short selling, to simulate short locate prices, I'll go percent of total purchase. Fee per trade 2.5%. Let's just use that for now. And then percent of portfolio to put in each trade. So like if I'm opening a position on, I don't know, Apple, it's going to put in 25% of the portfolio into Apple, not. Yeah, so, and then max hold length. So this is in days. If you set it to 0, it's just going to exit on the same day. And then if you leave it, so like it's just going to exit on market close. If there was no exit hit. And then if you leave it empty, that says max hold length to the current day. So let's leave it at 5 for now, and then short or long. Well, it's a short selling setup, so let's use that. And then back test, and like the universe scan, it'll depend on how many stocks were scanned by the universe. How many stocks were historically scanned, and how complicated your criteria is. So yeah, we'll just leave that running for about 5 minutes, and I'll be back. So let's see results. So it took 13 trades over the 2019 7/18 to 2021 7/16 time period. So yeah, 13 trades, 10 winners, 3 losers. And then you can see 77% win rate, and then about a 2.1 win-loss ratio. And you can also see more specific trade details here. Entry and exit timestamps will just be in your local time zone. And then, yeah, you have all the data here and your equity curve over here over time. So, yeah, that's how you create backtests on HyperTrade.